downtown, walking fast.
Rest. I'm gonna do laundry as well. So I don't know, so much traffic.
Faces pass and I'm homebound.
Guys, welcome back to another vlog. Marie here. So today I'll be bringing you guys with me. I just came from work. I worked out already as well, and right now I'll be just doing some errands. It's almost like 4 p.m. already, and I want to go to a thrift store because I need to buy some stuff, or I'm looking for some stuff, and I need to pick up some package from my mom's work because there's a delivery, and I'll be doing that. And I just thought of vlogging this trip so I can bring you along with me, and I just want to vlog and like talk to you guys. I just want to share with you guys what I do, and I don't know if you guys are interested, but I'm doing it anyway because it's fun, and I just want to go and talk to you guys. So yeah, if you want to follow me around, please keep on watching.
You don't know how you met me, you don't know why you can't turn around and say goodbye. All you know is when I'm with you, I make you free.
So now I'm done picking up the stuff. I'm gonna go to Thrift Town now, so come with me. Okay, so I'm here now, so yeah, let's go. Thrift Town. So this one is my favorite thrift store. So let's go.
I don't know which one to get. $25. It's brand new. $79. Guys, I scored. It's Tommy, brand new, for $2. with dresses. So this is all the dresses line, and let's see what I can find from here. I'm so tired and hungry already. It's like 6 p.m. and so far I've got a lot already of stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna go continue picking, and yeah, come with me. Very warm. Nothing in their jacket. Let's go move on with the dresses. Three people, guys. Three. Nothing is really nice in their dresses. Look at that, guys. This is so pretty. I like. It's $20 though, and it's brand new. See, there's a price tag. This is $69. This one. I don't want it to. First dress. I don't think I. The second one is this one. It's okay. I don't know if I like it. And this is like $12. I don't know. This one is the third dress. I don't know if I like it. I think it's fine, but it's a little bit big on me because this is like a large. But it's really nice. I like it. It's so nice. It's like this crisscross pattern. I think I like this. Next is this shorts. I don't know if I like it. Not sure. It's not flattering at all. Hi guys, okay, so I'm done shopping already. I'm gonna go home because I'm so hungry. It's like around 7 p.m. already, and I got 2 bags from there, and my total was $45. So I bought like 2, 4, 6, I think 8 pieces of clothing.
So I'm home already. I've changed to my home clothes. And then now I said I'm about to eat dinner once I get home, but I need to do laundry first. So I'm gonna do laundry and then get some dinner. So this is what my laundry looks like. I have one bag here, and then I have another bag right here. So I am going to do this, and then I'll be right back. So yeah, I'm just gonna go wait for all of this to load back. So 20 to 30 more minutes, and then I'll see you guys. I usually do it large, and then high speed, and then regular heavy, hot and cold. How about you guys? What do you guys do when you wash your clothes? But yeah, technically I'm gonna do the same thing for this one downstairs, because there's this is a 3-floor apartment. So I'm just gonna go bring everything with me and just leave this and time it. So right now it's 7:19. So I'll be back around, I would say, maybe 15 to 20 minutes to put the what do you call this, the softener. So let's just go down. So I'm back. I'm gonna go put on some softener to my laundry, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I feel like this is everything on my day. I wanna call it a night. I wanna rest, take a shower, and like just watch my TV. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.